In Sferro, a hamlet near Paterno, lived Giufà with a heart so pure, who knew nothing of tricks or deceit. The whole village knew him well, for every day brought a brand new tale. If someone played a prank on him for fun, he always believed every word. In the middle of the square stood a great old well, and beside it a fountain full of joy. Mariuzza, Linda, Rusina and Zina laughed and sang while washing their sheets, while Teresina carried the dry clothes home. Across the square stood Master Turi's shop, a cheerful carpenter and a famous prankster. Outside was a beautiful little Fiat Topolino, where every morning Giufà searched for the mouse. Giufà, what are you looking for in there? I'm looking for the mouse. I saw it last night. As soon as it heard you were coming, it ran away. Giufà, Giufà, a heart without deceit, where others only saw a joke, he always gave his heart. Giufà, Giufà, a soul forever true, with the eyes of a little child, he always saw wonder. One evening the full moon was reflected in the water of the well. Master Turi looked at it and smiled. A wonderful prank came to his mind. Giufà, hurry! Look over here! The moon has fallen into the well. Look, look, poor moon, we have to save her. He ran into Master Turi's shop, grabbed a rope and a bucket. Mariuzza dropped her soap, Linda stopped washing, Rosina, Teresina and Zina all came running to watch. Giufà slowly lowered the bucket while the water trembled in silence. I've got her. Pull, pull, pull. But suddenly the rope got stuck. Oh my, the moon is so heavy. Pull, pull, pull. Master Turi and the whole village burst into uncontrollable laughter. Crash! The rope snapped, bucket and all, and Giufà flew backwards, soaked from head to toe. He landed flat on his back. Giufà, Giufà, a heart without deceit, where others only saw a joke, he always gave his heart. Giufà, Giufà, a soul forever true, with the eyes of a little child, he always saw wonder. Giufà opened his eyes and looked up at the sky. There he saw the moon, still shining brightly. Thank goodness I managed to save her. Now she can light the way for everyone again. Mariuzza reached out her hand, Linda brought him his hat, Rosina wiped the water from his face, while Teresina and Zina were still laughing. But Giufà was smiling more than anyone, because deep inside his heart, the moon had finally come back.